Hello and welcome to Data102's Client Portal Overview. Thank you for choosing Data102 as your data center. I look forward to showing you some of the features you have access to through our customer portal that can help you manage your services. Now let's start off with the introductory email. Shortly after becoming a customer, all of the contacts listed on the Master Service Agreement will receive an email containing a username and a password, and these are the credentials you'll use to log into the portal. The link is just above those. Enter the information here. And then of course if you don't have the email or the link handy, you can always go online to data102.com, click on support, and get access to the portal here as well. And inside the portal here you can see in the upper left hand corner is your company's name, and then over to the right are a few shortcuts. You can view your open tickets, closed tickets, any outstanding invoices, and all of your active services. In the middle of the page you can view our recent announcements, usually regarding upgrades, outages, maintenance, or any other pertinent information regarding the operations at Data102. And then just below that is the account summary. Here you can view invoices. Go ahead and click on that. Over here you can view the unpaid invoices, paid invoices, or all together. If you click on the invoice number, you can view the details of that invoice. You'll have the account balance, the charges based on each of your services, any aging invoice balance, payment history, or refund history. Here's the date the invoice was sent, the date it's due, the amount of it, and whether or not that amount is outstanding. To get back out to the main page, I usually just click on Data102 over here. And just to the right of the account summary is the support summary. Here you can view open tickets, and you can also submit a new ticket. Go ahead and click on that and I'll show you how. You just enter the subject, a detailed message. Let us know if it's pertaining to a specific device or service that you have. Also let us know whether or not it's an emergency. And then select the department. General support will get you to a technician. Billing support will get you to our accountant. Sales and leads will reach our sales department, and that might be a good selection if you have questions about pricing or if you'd like to upgrade your services. You can even attach a file if you'd like, and then hit send. And all the way to the right is the device summary. Here's where you can view various co-location and network devices you have here at Data102. And if you purchase the advanced monitoring for your devices, this is where you'll find the information for those. If you'd like to get advanced monitoring, it's $1 a month per device. You can talk to one of our sales associates, maybe even submit a support ticket to our sales and leads department, and we can set you up. Go ahead and click on View Devices. Here you'll see the device description, its up or down status, the type of device that it is, its location within our data center, any related IP addresses, what it's labeled as, and whether or not the power is on. Also, if you purchase bandwidth from us, you can monitor it right here. There's even a nice graph that you can view. It gives you a good visual of the bandwidth usage. And then under Menu, here you can view your client profile. Go ahead and click on View Profile. Here you can make any changes to your personal information. And then also, if you're an authorized contact, you can add other contacts. Let's see how we can set up a new contact. You enter their name, email address, their title in your company, their phone number. Here's where you generate their login ID and password so that they can log into the portal, and that information will be emailed to them. You can mark them as a point of contact or a technical contact for Data102, and you can even assign them an avatar if you'd like. And under permissions is where you'll grant them various access to your account. Under client profile, you can have them view or edit their personal profile, or view or edit billing information, whether or not they can change their password or manage contacts. Under billing and services, you can have them receive billing emails, view or edit invoices, services, credits, orders, or PayPal subscriptions. Under reports, you can have them view the event log, which tracks activity on your account. The ledger event log tracks financial activity, and the mail log, which keeps track of the emails. Under domain management, you can have them view or edit the domains, or whether or not they can look up domains. If you don't want them to see this section, you can just disable it so that they don't see it on the portal. And then under support, you can have them view or edit their own tickets, others' tickets, whether or not they can submit new tickets or search tickets. And then under devices, they can either view or edit the devices, or whether or not they can view IP addresses. And then just hit save and that new contact will be generated. And back under the menu under client profile, you can click payment methods. Here you can add a credit card, so we have a card on file for your account. You can enter the card number, expiration date, the code on the back, and then it tends to fill out a lot of the information, which you can make changes to. And you can click the box there so we know you have authority to use that card. And under change password, you'll want to do this as soon as possible for security reasons. Enter your email provided password and then your new unique password containing at least 7 characters, both letters and numbers, and then confirm that password and note that it is case sensitive. And under billing and services, here's yet another area where you can view your invoices, and you can also view services, credits, orders, and set up a PayPal subscription. If you would prefer to make payments through PayPal, you can click on Create PayPal Subscription and set up a monthly payment. Select the services that you'd like to pay through PayPal and click on Create Subscription. And if you already have a PayPal account, you can just click on I already have a PayPal account and then enter the related email address and password. You can also set up a new PayPal account here. It'll ask you a few questions to set the account up, all of your card information, your billing address, and contact information. And then just enter the code that you see to the right. It's in and amongst the PayPal logos there. And then hit continue to verify that you want to make payments through PayPal. And under reports, here you can view the event log, which tracks activity. Let's take a look at that. Then there's the ledger event log, which tracks financial activity, and the mail log, which keeps track of your emails. And under support, here's another area you can view tickets, submit a new ticket, and do a ticket search. You can search for tickets that are open or closed, and you can narrow your search criteria here. And then enter a topic you know was discussed in that ticket, say email. Maybe I was asking about anti-spam software. And you see the subject is email spam, so click on the ticket number, and here you can reread the information that was given, see if there was any solutions or pricing given in a previous ticket, and you can even respond. And then under Device Manager, here you can view your devices, just like under Device Summary, and you can view your IP addresses that are assigned to your company. And under Portal Logins, you can log into your DataVolt backups, your DirectMX email solutions, including the anti-spam, where you can adjust blacklists, and then your DNS control panel. Here you can view Data102's knowledge base, and you can log into your VPS self-service portal, where you can access your SSH console and restart your machine. And that's it for the overview of our client portal. If you can't find the email with the username and password to log into the portal, just give us a call toll-free at 888-DATA102. That's 888-328-2102, and select option 2 and let us know, and we'll resend that information to you.